Hello, good day everyone. I am Engine Cadet Sean. Okay, share ko lang guys. What are the new technologies that can aid the compliance to marine environmental protection? Let me say something. It is clear that a suite of evolving technologies is crucial for enhancing compliance with marine environmental protection. Here's a breakdown of key areas and specific technologies. First one is the advanced monitoring and surveillance. It enhanced satellite technology, high-resolution satellite imagery, and advanced sensors are important, improving the ability to detect and track the pollution, illegal fishing, and other harmful activities. This system can provide real-time data, enabling to rapid response to environmental threats. First is autonomous underwater vehicles. These robots can explore and monitor underwater environments, collecting data on water quality, marine life, and pollution levels in areas that are difficult for humans to access. They can be used to monitor compliance with regulation related to deep sea mining and offshore drilling. Sensor networks. Networks of interconnected sensors deployed throughout the ocean can provide continuous monitoring of key environmental parameters such as the temperature, salinity, and pollution level. These networks can provide early warning of the environmental changes and help to identify areas of non-compliance. Second is the data analysis and artificial intelligence, or AI. AI-powered monitoring. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from satellite sensors and other sources to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate non-compliance with environmental regulation. AI can also be used to predict environmental risks and prioritize enforcement efforts. Digital tracking and tracing. Blockchain technology and digital tracking system can be used to track the movement of vessels and goods, helping to prevent illegal fishing and other illegal activities. This technology can provide the greatest transparency and accountability in the maritime industry. Third and last is pollution prevention and mitigation. First is the ballast water treatment system, advanced filtration, and disinfection system are being developed to prevent the spread of invasive species through ballast water discharge. This system helps to ensure compliance with international regulation on ballast water management. Exhaust gas. Cleaning system scrubbers. This system removes harmful pollutants from ship, exhaust gases, and reducing pollution and helping to comply with the emission standards. Alternative fuels, the development and the adaptation of cleaner fuels such as liquefied natural gas, or also known as LNG, and hydrogen is helping to reduce greenhouse gas emission from the maritime industry. Here's the anti-fouling technologies. Development of the new non-toxic hull coating to prevent the spread of invasive species and reduce the need for harmful chemicals. So here the key consideration. The integration of these technologies into existing regulation framework is essential for effective compliance. International cooperation and data sharing are crucial for addressing transboundary environmental challenges. By leveraging these new technologies, we can improve our ability to monitor, enforce, and comply with marine environmental protection regulations, helping to safeguard the health of our oceans.